In the last two videos, we started talking about ways to measure the center or the middle of our data set. We talked about the mean and we talked about the mode. Now we're going to turn our attention to a third measure as the center. That's the median. Now, the mean is very easily affected by outliers. That means extreme values on one side or the other. The mean can be very easily affected by outliers, whereas the mode is generally unchanged by outliers. Take these examples. On the left side of your screen, you have 5 numbers, 1, 3, 4, 4, and 7. You calculate the average, that's 3.8. Calculate the mode, that's 4. Now let's throw in an outlier, and you'll see that on the right side of your screen. Let's throw in a 15, just something large, something that obviously doesn't fit with the rest of the data. When you throw that in, you get a new mean of 5.67. That shifted the mean by almost 2 points, or two whole numbers. So it shifted the mean a lot. But the mode is still 4. That's unchanged. So you have the mean, which reacts violently, essentially, to outliers, and the mode, which doesn't even care. It isn't even fazed by an outlier. Is there some sort of a middle ground in the middle where, the measure is influenced by outliers, but not violently like the mean is? Yes, and that is the median. So the median is the centermost data point in your ordered data set. I showed you this set of numbers in the last video when we talked about the mode. We have just the random set of numbers. The first thing we need to do to find the median is order the data set. You cannot find the median without ordering your data set. Then we simply find the middle of the data. Literally, the middle of our data. In other words, the one value where you're going to have an equal number of points on either side. So there's an equal number of points on either side. In this case, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points on the right. Okay. Now, side note here, some of you may be thinking, wait, when I showed you this video and talking about the mode, we had 20 data points. This is only 19. Yes, I cheated. I removed one number. I did that on purpose. I'll reintroduce that number in just a second. All right. So we have 19 data points. The very middlemost number of the ordered data set is the median. Okay. And this is the reason why I removed one data point. With an odd number of data points, the median is the central value. Okay, so if you have an odd number of data points, the median is going to land directly on a number, so our median is that number. So for this data set, our median is 5. Now, I said that I removed a number. I've put it back in. With an even number of data points, however, your median is now going to lie in between 2 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data points, if you count this one, which we're going to. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the median lies directly between these two values. What do we do? It's not on a value. What do we do? It's actually quite simple. Since the median is between those two values, why don't we just take the average of those 2 points? So the median in this case is going to be right between the 5 and the 6. That means our median is 5.5. Just take the average of the two numbers. That's all we do.